is Dr. Janelle Hamos. I have taught in our Health and Human Performance department for 21 years, and then this year I'm getting an opportunity to co-teach.
My name is Dr. Bradley Wood, and I'm an assistant professor in biology and currently teaching BIOH 221 Human Anatomy. The purpose of Human Anatomy is to try and train aspiring medical doctors, veterinarians, physical therapists, occupational therapists, and nursing students on a career in healthcare and medicine. So we are trying to teach them the construction of the human body and how things are put together, why they're put together, and how they work.
This is the first time I've had an opportunity to teach a class with a full lab in it, and so the dissection that we're doing with our cats is a really impactful, important part of this work, so that students understand what tissue really looks like in a body, they understand how muscles and fascia are interrelated, and they learn the skills to manage a really intense class in a short period of time.
This is a rigorous class. It will test the ability to learn lots of information in a very short amount of time. By its nature of anatomy, it's relying on heavy use of Latin and Greek terminology. And so in our other biology courses, although students have to learn species names, they don't have to learn lots and lots of Latin and Greek words, be able to spell them correctly, and know when to apply them in an exam format. So it's a bit of a language course, or I should say it's almost halfway a language course as well as a biology course. So it challenges the students from multiple perspectives that they may not be used to, especially if they haven't taken a foreign language in high school or in college.
My goal in teaching this class is to help students learn the content, but be able to apply it as well. It's not enough to just be able to look at a picture and say, oh, I know what that structure is, but they need to be able to find it on a real person, understand how it relates to other structures, so that as they go into their professional fields, they have that knowledge as they're being competent and doing a great job in whichever of the fields they're going into.
This class is following the mission of Western, which is to be experiential. So this is a very hands-on, intensively hands-on class. We dissect non-human cadavers in order to better understand the construction of a mammal body, and trying to put that into a clinical context is something we've never really offered before in anatomy and physiology here. So trying to sort of take what they're learning in the classroom, apply it to the real world is our primary goal.
You know, this has been my first experience co-teaching, and it has been really incredibly rewarding for me. It's helped me to work with somebody else who's a professional in this, to see their level of preparation, to learn new teaching strategies. And for me, a big part of this was getting to meet new students. Often we don't meet a lot of students outside of our department, so getting to know some of those majors from other areas has been really wonderful for me. I've enjoyed that very much.
So we have a mixture of students. We have students that are majoring in kinesiology who aspire to be physical education teachers. We have students that are majoring in biology that aspire to be veterinarians or medical doctors. And we have students that in some cases double major in kinesiology and biology and want to be physical therapists.
We have a nice variety of students, and I think they should know that they are going to get their money's worth. You know, we are very focused on getting them a lot of information and being there to support them. And that's one of the great things about the block schedule is they're all in one class at a time, really working to get that information. But our faculty members are committed to that one class as well. So we're here for them as they're doing the lab. We're here for them to answer questions as they study, help them develop their strategies for studying, because not all of us have done a lot of memorization before. So I think they should know they're going to be very supported, but the expectations are going to be high, and they can work to achieve those, which is maybe the best part, seeing them do that.
Together, we're able to bring a very detailed yet applicable approach to anatomical education.